Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to hide your photo story from specific friends on the Facebook app for PC. This guide is based on the newest update, so everything you'll see here is up to date and easy to follow. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Create a Story and click on it. This will open the story creation window where you can choose what kind of story you want to make. Next, select Create a Photo Story. A file window will appear, allowing you to pick any photo from your computer. Find the one you want to share, click Open, and Facebook will load it into your story preview. Before posting, you can make a few quick edits. You can crop the photo, rotate it, or make any small changes you like. Take a moment to make it look just how you want it. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a text box where you can write something to go along with your story. Type in your caption or message, and if you'd like, choose a font style that fits the mood of your photo. Here's the important part: controlling who can see your story. At the bottom or corner of the editor, click on the gear icon to open the story settings. A menu will appear. Choose the option labeled Hide Story From, and then select the specific friends you'd like to keep the story hidden from. You can pick one person, several, or even a few groups of friends if needed. Once you've made your selections, click Save to confirm those privacy settings. Finally, go back to your story preview and click Share to Story. That's it. Your story will now be visible to everyone except the friends you've chosen to hide it from. This way, you can share moments freely while keeping some posts private. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick Facebook tips.